Hello guys, welcome back with me, Ciao Ciao 2025. Today we're going to learn about using controlnet. If you want to know how to install controlnet on Automatic 1111, we already create the video before. Just check the description for the link. For this example, let's combine OpenPose with Canny to make a certain expression. This two combination really created a very good expression, head position and cloth and any other attire. Here, some example. Usually, I put controlnet is stronger than prompt. Using OpenPose with Lineart, with linear realistic also work great to make expression. Here's a few example. Okay, now how to do this. The first step is to set up your controlnet so you have more than one. How to do it is simply go to Setting, select controlnet, and then on multi-controlnet. Controlnet unit number requires restart. Set the number of controlnet you want. I suggest to have at least 3. Then click Apply and the reload Y. After that, let's try create a new image. Select the setting and prompt as usual. In ControlNet Unit 0, make sure you check Activate Pixel Perfect and allow preview. We use OpenPose with DW OpenPose Full. In ControlNet Unit 1, we select Canny. You could put Control, Net is more important in all ControlNet unit, or not, depending on your preference. Now all this is set up, let's try generate. The result is pretty good. Is generate someone else, but in detail it really looked like the scene in Pulp Fiction. Here another example. Now let's try the Lineart for the second ControlNet. Lineart also work like Canny, so the result is pretty good too if you combine it with OpenPose. Here, another example. This time, you could create a picture with open mouth like this. It is clear and hard to achieve with regular OpenPose only. Next is to combine depth and OpenPose to create character with background. This time, we're going to use 3 controlnet. Okay guys, that is for today's video. Hope that help you create your creative image. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you again on the next video. Have a nice day.